Mastering the Art of Buying Time, a guide to understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning journey. In this video, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, I'm buying time. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what they really mean? Well, today, we're going to explore this phrase, its meaning, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, I'm buying time, is a common idiomatic expression in the English language. But what does it mean? To buy time doesn't involve money at all. Instead, it means to delay an event or to create an opportunity to do something before something else happens. It's like creating a little pocket of time for yourself to prepare, think, or act before facing a situation. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clear, it's believed to be related to situations where people needed more time to solve a problem or avoid a crisis. By stalling or delaying actions, they were effectively purchasing themselves extra moments to devise a plan or escape a predicament. 1. To indicate delaying tactics, you might use, I'm buying time, when you're trying to delay something. For example, if you're not ready to give a presentation, you might say, I'm just buying time until I feel more prepared. 2. To express the need for more time to think. Sometimes, you might need a moment to think before making a decision. In this case, you could say, I'm buying some time to consider all my options. 3. In situations of distraction. If you're trying to distract someone to avoid a topic or delay an outcome, you might be buying time. For instance, if someone asks you a question you're not ready to answer, you might change the subject to buy time. The phrase, I'm buying time, has been used in various contexts in literature and movies. Characters might use this strategy during tense moments to avoid immediate danger or to plan their next move. These examples show how the phrase is applied in different narrative contexts, emphasizing its versatility and effectiveness in communication. And that's a wrap on the phrase, I'm buying time. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of the phrase but also how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressing ideas, emotions, and actions. So go ahead, use I'm buying time when you need that extra moment, and see how it transforms your communication. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure.